Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to discuss how you remove this door latch. This is the rear door latch for your hatch on a GLA250, and we're going to discuss how you remove that. We've removed the plastic inside, that's already been done, and then there's going to be some electrical up here to be unclipped, and then there's these two T30 bolts to be removed. And this is controlled by an actuator that is over here. There's a rubber mount peck over here with the cable and the actuator that actually controls this with a cable right there. But to remove this, you can either try to pull it through here, or really just take out this light mechanism, and that's discussed in another portion, but where you remove this light, and if this went bad in here, then you would just pull the whole unit out, replace it with this cable that comes over here. But that's if it was just the actuator. But if it's this door latch, you need to if you would need to replace this door latch, we just need to undo these two bolts here. They're T30s, and then undo some electrics, and the one cable we would have to remove. Right, so with those two bolts removed, then you can get up here. There's one electrical connector to be removed, to be undone. So with that electrical connector undone, there's a little box up here we got to remove. Another electrical connector to be undone. Push the tab to the inner side. Another one here, this blue one, to be undone. Those two connectors undone. Then we can undo this bolt here, which is a 10mm. With that bolt removed, and then we need to remove the cable, and you just pop it. So to remove the cable, you can just flip this up like this, and this is the little actuator piece, and then pull it out, right? And then this piece, you just push it up and out. So with the cable removed, we can now work this out the hole. And that's how you remove it. And then to replace it, we're going to go back in the reverse order. Okay. To the side, put it back up in, and then hook your cable back up so that you don't tighten the bolts and get in a issue there. So we have this whole access back here. Cable all latched in place, then we can just drop it back in here, line up the holes, tighten the bolts back up. Alright, so good and snug there. And then back up in here, we have the electrical connector to just press back in. Make sure you push the locking piece back in until it clicks. And then we've got this electrical box module to put back in that we removed for ease of access. It's got two little tabs to lock in up on the front, and then the nut that goes on right here. With that put all in there, and just clip these electrics back in together, and that's how and then you would go ahead and put all the plastic panels back on. But that's how you replace your door latch on the rear of your Mercedes GLA. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.